In this video, I'll show you how you can enhance audio with Adobe Enhance. It is totally free to use online. Adobe Enhance is part of their beta app for podcasting. One can register for the podcast app. However, this voice enhancer app is totally free to use. You can use it to enhance the audio in video recorded outside amidst noise. You could also use it to enhance the quality of audio recorded with a webcam. Right now I'm recording this video with my Logitech Brio webcam, but I'm now recording sound with this Dell mic. Later in this video, I will show you audio recorded with the Logitech microphone itself and show how this tool can enhance the voice recorded with the webcam. I will share two examples. The first one is from a recently published video on gimbal and monopod use recorded in the park. I recorded it a few days ago but only published it a couple of days back. At the time of publication of that video, I was unaware of this app. Now I know better. Listen to the two voice samples before and after the voice enhancement. The next voice sample has been recorded with the native mic of a Logitech Brio webcam. Webcams don't have good audio, but by using this app, one can enhance audio quality. In order to use this app for your videos, you'll have to first isolate it to an audio format. Then you will upload this sample to the audio enhancement tool, which is to be seen in the Adobe Podcast app. Then you upload the poor quality video to get better quality video quickly. Finally, you just replace the original audio in your video with this audio and edit it and publish it. I'm going to show you the screen of the Adobe Podcast app. So this is the Adobe Podcast app. It shows remove noise from voice recording with speech enhancement. So you after you recorded video, you isolate it in your specific app like Adobe Premiere Pro or whatever and convert it into an MPEG file. Then you drag the MPEG file into this area and then convert it into good audio by clicking this button. It will not take very long and then it will give you good quality audio. You can just delete the bad audio recorded with your video and substitute it with this good quality audio. I'm in the park now. I'm going to record some footage with my Xeon Smooth 5 gimbal mounted on my monopod, Agaro monopod. So this is a view of the park, wide open spaces. I've attached my gimbal to the top of my monopod and I will be walking along the park capturing footage of the foliage. I'm in the park now. I'm going to record some footage with my Xeon Smooth 5 gimbal mounted on my monopod, Agaro monopod. So this is a view of the park, wide open spaces. I've attached my gimbal to the top of my monopods and I will be walking along the park capturing footage of the foliage higher up. I am recording this voice with the help of the native inbuilt mic in the Logitech Brio webcam. I will isolate this voice in my editing program, upload it to the video enhancer, and then I will show you the enhanced version of my voice. So this is the unenhanced voice. This is the enhanced voice. I'm recording this voice with the help of the native inbuilt mic, the Logitech Brio webcam. I will isolate this voice in my editing program, upload it to the video enhancer, and then I will show you the enhanced version of my voice. So this is the enhanced voice. Are you using other apps for voice enhancement? Let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.